First of all, let me close my door. Let's lock the door 2 times. I always make sure it's locked. Yeah. Zip it up. This is the sack of my popcorn. This one is for granite. This one is for granite oil. You know, you fry popcorn with granite oil. Yeah, guys. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Nigeria. I left Togo a few days ago, so I'm back to Nigeria. Yeah. So I've been seeing a lot of comments on my popcorn videos coming out from Nigerians. Actually, this video might not be for everyone. Okay, it might be for Nigerians and for those of you who want to start popcorn business. You know, a lot of questions: how much to start, is it a good business, and all of that. So today in this video I will try and answer a few of your questions by making this video since I'm back home, you know. And yeah, so I'm heading out to the market. This is the sack of the popcorn, the one I've used before. I always buy bag. Okay, a bag of maize, popcorn maize, the last time I bought it was 53,000. I don't know how much it will be now at this moment, because it's been like 1 month since I bought corn last. So I'll go to the market. I'll show you step by step on how I buy the corn items, okay, in the market here in Ikorodu, in Isabo. So without talking too much, guys, let's head straight into the videos. And welcome back to my home. Actually, it's about to rain. I was home since no rain. Immediately I just carried my sack to go and buy things. The rain started falling. So welcome to my home, welcome to my videos, welcome to my life. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so by subscribing, because I always drop important updates on my channel. A lot of useful informations I drop them on this channel. So if you are not following me, do so to follow, so you don't miss out on any updates. Maybe you are planning to travel to any African country. Yeah, like when I was in Togo. Good morning, how are you?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, family.
Say hi. Thank you. Yes. Very jovial guy. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, it's raining on my camera lens. Yeah. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so by subscribing, so you don't miss out on any updates. Okay? Yeah. So I will enter vehicle here to Sabo, right here. Welcome to my area, guys. I'm super happy that I'm back. Whenever I come back, I take like 2 days. I don't come out. I just eat, rest, sleep, you know. Yeah, because my bed is so comfy. Sometimes when I stay at home for long, I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to stay at home. Yeah, so Sabo. Yeah, guys, let's enter the big thief. 700. Something that is 500 for a big motor. They are selling me 700. Hey, it's raining. Oh my goodness. Guys, see, this our place is full. When I came here, this place was not like this. See, rain is falling. It's raining, it's falling heavily. Okay, so I think I will cut it here and wait for car to come, so I will enter. But it's raining actually. See, it's raining. I don't know if you can see the rain, but it's raining. You see? It's raining. Yeah, okay, so I'm standing down here for like a long time, and the big car I'm supposed to enter is not coming, so I think I'll just enter the keke. Keke is 700 and it's raining, so I think I will just enter the keke 700 and go sharp quickly and come back. because I want to sell today. Oh, it's raining, eh? Hey, what kind of thing is this? I was in my home for like since morning, no rain. Ah, immediately I came outside. What is this? I wanted to sacrifice 200 to enter the big keke. Now this rain will not let me drink water drop cup, eh? And it's pouring now so heavily. I want to get wet before I get there. Sabo, I want him. I want to that one. How much? Maybe 600. Sabo. Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys. So finally, I got the one for 700. I was waiting for Big Boss 500, but I didn't see it. I don't know why all of them are full. So I think I entered this one is 700. Just difference of 200 naira. So yeah, it's raining, so I don't know. Sabo.
Omi tó ló máa bọ̀, omi tó ló wà ní. Sabo.
She be Sabo, Oga?
Yes, Sabo.
Market is always busy. It's a busy market. I have sugar cane. I love sugar cane. I could buy sugar cane. I love sugar cane. Not bad. Now, give me this one. Put this one. I could change it. 500. This how much? Yeah. I love sugar cane, guys. Guys, I like the fact that these guys are so clean. They don't let their hands touch on the corn, on the sugar cane, which is what I love about them. They try as much as possible to avoid their hands touching on the sugar cane. Now hold it. 52,000 last price. Give me one now. Exactly like this, eh? Exactly like this.
Okay, no problem. Because we're going to watch.
Here you go. You go answer your video. Okay, guys. So the corn has not increased, eh? Has not reduced. It also is 53. Yeah, it has not come down. So anybody who wants to buy, people who are asking me how much is bag of corn in Lagos State is 53. But depends on the corn anyway. Depends on the brand. Some brands can give you 54, 56, 50. Yeah, depends on the brand. Yeah. So I'm here to get the corn. My customer does not like videos. I wanted him to drop his number, so if you want to buy corn, you can contact him, but he doesn't like videos. I don't know why some people don't like videos and they are selling business. I don't know why. I don't know, but there's power in the internet. When you are when you are selling, it's good for you to be familiar with internet. So I'm waiting for him to bring it. So this oil cost me 12,000. This is 5 liters. All right. And then here we have the sugar. This sugar is 7,000. Dangote sugar. Sometimes I get boa, but I got Dangote. Then here I have butter. Here I have butter. Each butter cost me 850. So I got 3 here. And this one, oh, I forgot something. I'll go and buy it. This is the flavor. I think it's flavor. It gives the popcorn good aroma. All right. One is 150. So I have 10 here. 1,500. So you can add it up and know how much. All of that. All right. I love to buy in bulk because I don't like coming to the market every day. That's why. Come hold it for me. Hold on for me.
Why? I know.
Sure. Thank you. Let's go.
Shift to this side. From this side.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I think I'll go and buy other things before I'll come and carry the corn. Because it's heavy, I can't be carrying it. Put it here for me. Let me go and buy other things before I come and carry the corn because it's too heavy. I can't be carrying it and be buying stuffs. I forgot to buy something there in that woman's shop. I forgot to buy. So let me go back and buy it. This is heavy. Give me the small one. Bye bye.
Mama, you don't find me anything.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yes. No. Guys, it's heavy, eh? Guys, that's the milk. I always buy milk. And so this is the nylon when they use. Let me show you guys. I'm inside the market. Let me show you the nylon I use. So you can also. This is 1,000, 3,200. This nylon has 2 sides. There's one that is 4,400. But this one is the cheapest. Cost 3,200 naira for 10 pieces. A bit 12, I don't know. I'm not too sure, but it does it 1,000. So this video is for those of you asking me, how can I start popcorn business? Is it profit? This and that. Where to get the corn? Where to get the machine? How much is the machine? How much is the corn? Yeah. Watch the video to the end so that you can know step by step on how I buy my popcorn items and all of that. Yeah. So yeah, I'll call the video here. See you in my next video. Bye bye.